Stop scrolling for a second. If you use a computer, there are websites that can edit your photos, fix your PDFs, translate documents, check suspicious links, create designs, and even help you solve complicated problems without installing expensive software. And I'm not talking about websites you'll use once and forget. These are tools you can actually bookmark and use again and again. So before you close this video, let me show you 10 free websites every computer user should know. And number 2 is especially useful for students. Let's start with something incredibly useful if you're a student, researcher, or someone who works with numbers. It's called Wolfram Alpha. Unlike a normal search engine, Wolfram Alpha is designed to compute answers using its knowledge base. You can enter mathematical problems, equations, statistics, scientific questions, and many other types of queries. Instead of searching through 10 different websites trying to find an answer, you can sometimes get the calculation or information directly. And yes, there's a free version you can use online. Wolfram Alpha +1. If you're a student, definitely bookmark this one. Number 9 is for anyone who works with different languages. Meet DeepL. DeepL offers free translation and can translate text as well as documents such as Word files, PDFs, and PowerPoint presentations. DeepL +1. So imagine receiving a document in another language and needing to understand it quickly. Instead of copying everything manually, you can upload the document and translate it. It's also useful for students, freelancers, businesses, and anyone communicating internationally. Have you ever had a picture with an ugly background that you wanted to remove? Then you need to know about Remove.bg. Upload an image and the website can automatically remove the background, leaving you with the subject. You can use it for profile pictures, product images, presentations, social media graphics, and thumbnails. The website offers free low-resolution processing, while higher resolution and commercial uses can require payment. Remove.bg. So if you just need a quick background removal, this can save you a lot of time. Now here's one that can seriously save you money. This is Photopea. Photopea is a powerful photo editor that runs directly in your browser. You don't have to download a huge editing program just to make a quick edit. You can crop and resize images, work with layers and masks, and it even supports PSD files. Photopea. That makes it incredibly useful for thumbnails, social media graphics, photo editing, and basic graphic design. If you're using a computer with limited storage, bookmark this one. Number 6 is probably one you've heard of, but you may not realize how much you can do with it. It's Canva. With Canva's free plan, you can create things like presentations, social media graphics, documents, videos, posters, and more using templates and a drag-and-drop editor. Canva. And you don't need to be a professional designer. For example, if you need a professional presentation tomorrow and you don't know where to start, Canva can give you a template and let you customize it. It's one of those websites that's worth having in your bookmarks. Here's a website I think every computer user should know. It's called iLovePDF. If you've ever struggled with PDF files, this can make your life much easier. You can use it for things like merging PDFs, splitting documents, compressing files, converting PDFs to Word, and converting documents into PDF. iLovePDF. Online tools for PDF +1. So if a PDF is too large to send, you can compress it. If you have several PDF files that need to become one document, you can merge them. The free version has limits, but it is still extremely useful for everyday PDF tasks. Now we're getting into the websites that can replace several small tools you might otherwise have to download. This is TinyWow. TinyWow offers a huge collection of online tools covering PDFs, images, videos, files, and writing tasks. TinyWow +1. For example, you can compress files, convert documents, work with PDFs, remove image backgrounds, convert videos, extract audio, and much more. The website says its free tools don't require a subscription or registration for many functions. TinyWow. Instead of searching Google every time you need a simple online tool, bookmark TinyWow. Now pay attention to this one. because it can potentially save you from clicking something dangerous. It's called VirusTotal. You can use VirusTotal to analyze files and URLs using its security scanning service. VirusTotal. So if someone sends you a suspicious link and you're not sure whether you should trust it, you can check the URL before opening it. But here's something important. Never upload confidential or sensitive files just because you want to scan them. Think before you upload anything private. For basic link checking, however, this is a website worth knowing. Number 2 is one of the simplest tools on this list, but don't underestimate it. Google Docs. You can create documents online, edit them, share them with other people, and collaborate on the same document. Google Support. And one feature I really like is automatic saving while you're working online. Google Support. That means you're not constantly worrying about pressing Ctrl+S every few seconds. For students, writers, businesses, and anyone who works with documents, this is one of those tools you should know how to use. And finally, number 1. How many times have you complained that your internet is slow without actually knowing how fast your connection is? That's why a good internet speed testing website belongs in your bookmarks. Open a reliable speed test, run the test, and you'll get information about your connection so you can see whether the problem is actually your internet speed. This becomes especially useful when you're paying for a particular internet package and want to check whether your connection is performing anywhere close to what you expect. And here's the important part. Don't just run the test once and make a conclusion. Try it at different times of the day because internet performance can change. So those are 10 websites I think every computer user should know. But don't just watch this video and forget about them. Pause the video, bookmark the websites you'll actually use, and start building your own digital toolbox. And if you want more useful websites, computer tricks, AI tools, and digital skills that can actually save you time, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills. I'll see you in the next one.